What's the meaning of cot? Cot. Cot.
Cot. Cot. The term cot can refer to a type of narrow bed, typically used for infants or young children. It can also refer to a small, lightweight shelter or dwelling, often made of natural materials such as wood or thatch. Additionally, cot can be a mathematical function, specifically the reciprocal of the tangent function. This function relates to the relationships between angles and sides in a right triangle. Overall, cot can refer to a type of bed, a type of shelter, or a mathematical function.